Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can hide your view count possibly on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, I've seen this process done both in person and on the internet. However, I cannot replicate it. The reason is most likely because the account center is screwing some things up for me, and I can't really find the option within the account center for Meta. Now, the way that you would do this before is you would tap on your profile in the bottom right, click on the top right in these three horizontal lines. However, as you can see, it brings up the settings and activity tab. Usually this will bring up your account settings tab where you would press on security and you will be able to hide the likes and views. However, for some reason that is not possible for me. The closest thing that I have found is if you go into what you see, you can go into like and share accounts, and as you can see, you can hide like and share accounts. However, this does not apply to views. Well, it does, but the only the number of views on posts from other profiles on Threads will be hidden. For Instagram, it only hides the likes and share counts for some reason. I'm not sure if this does the same for views. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, so I'm not very certain on how to do it other than this. So you can do it by doing that, or you could probably go into the account center and search for some option that will allow you to change the view count, whether it's shown or not. What you can also try and do, you can go to the privacy center under more info and controls, and if I search it, for example, for views, as you can see, nothing is popping up, so I can't really guarantee that there is any option. There is only how Meta reviews apps that integrate with our products, and that's pretty much it. So as far as I'm aware, on this version of Instagram, it's not very possible. Your only option is to hide the like and share count, and that maybe works, maybe doesn't, but that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.